Good morning and welcome in to the Mystic Lotus and Dragonflies Awesome Masterclass series. Today's masterclass is all about Connect with Angel Miracles, and our master teacher today is none other than the highly intuitive healer, Siddhi Shah. Ladies and gentlemen, Siddhi began her journey at a very young age, at 16, with dream interpretation. And since then, her journey has been deeply, richly infused and influenced by her natural connection to angels and dragons. She's personally experienced the miracle of working with angels, and her one mission now is to spread angel magic amongst as many people as she possibly can. You must be wondering, I'm sure you must have wondered, what are angels? What is this miracle? What is Angel Connect? Can I do this Angel Connect? Can I connect with angels? Is it even possible? Well, you're in the right place for that. Many before you have asked these very questions, and they've gone on to learn from Siddhi and have experienced that very same magic in their own health, their own finances, their own relationships. And we will be hearing from them as well today. However, ladies and gentlemen, I know you're waiting. I know I'm waiting. So without further ado, let's put our hands together and give a warm Mystic Lotus welcome to the one and only Siddhi Shah. Hi Siddhi, welcome in, and how are you doing?
I'm doing very good. Good morning to you and everyone here. And welcome aboard. This is going to be a very beautiful journey. Sometimes I've noticed that even during the call, when we are having the call, there are a lot of miracles happen with a lot of people when they go ahead and do a prayer. And this happened with me last week as well. So I would like to start with a prayer if everyone is ready. So why
Yes,
not
please.
get in some miracles? So everyone, keep your notes and pens aside for 2 minutes. Close your eyes, hands folded, 3 deep breaths out from your mouth. As I call upon Archangel Michael and Archangel Metatron, I always work with them, and I've experienced their great and deep love towards me and the entire humankind. I call upon them to help us, guide us, nurture us, so that I deliver every word well and you receive all the knowledge well, so that new doors open up in our lives and our lives start flourishing in the highest and best way and fastest possible way. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Once again, 3 deep breaths and back to the present moment.
That was so nice. The light in the room has changed.
Yes. That's what it is supposed to be doing. It changes the color on your face. It changes the feelings inside your heart. And it also uplifts you in a very different way. So I also hear someone asking me to be louder than this. So yes, here I go, getting little more louder. I hope my voice is clear enough now. Yeah.
Yes, it is. It is actually quite clear. Thank you for that. And Siddhi, you've put together all your learnings, all your experience, all your teachings, and you put this very in-depth Angel Connect with Angel Miracles workshop together. So obviously, to start off, please tell us, what are angels and what are angel miracles?
This question often comes to me when people come ahead and ask me, are they gods? I say no. Then are they like us? I say no. Then how can they give us certain things? If they are not us, they are not gods. My only response to this is they are messengers of gods. They are having higher power, higher abilities. They are beings of light. So they are much more capable of doing than what we are capable of doing. They answer our prayers, they listen to us. So, for an example, we are on a certain plane and God is high up there. They fill the gap. They are the kind that is a bridge between the God's realm and our realm. Again, they don't have physical bodies like what we do. That's why they are never taken as a male figure or a female figure, but they are someone who are capable of cutting our cords, healing our health, healing our hearts, healing our finances. This is a very trying and testing time, and even there are certain cases when people have had natural disasters like earthquakes, natural disasters like floods. They called upon angels and they found instant help in that. And there are certain documented cases like these. When you'll Google search, you'll know about them instantly. So these, in a nutshell, angel is someone who comes to you and helps you right when you need it. Sometimes our friends become our angels, sometimes our relatives, brothers, and sisters become our angels, but largely, angels are higher beings who come to you, who help you right when you need it.
Fantastic.
I'd
You
like,
said something, sorry.
I'd
You,
like to add one more thing.
yeah.
Um, this was very fortunate for me, Neelu, when I was going through the toughest time of my life. By at that point of time, I didn't know what are angels. I didn't know whether there is any existence. I come from a very different background. I am a Jain. I follow Jainism, and I never heard something like angels or angel therapy before. And suddenly, that phase of my life, in that phase of my life, I started seeing different kind of numbers, and I started believing or thinking that I was attuned to a certain frequency. I was attuned, or maybe I had programmed my subconscious mind so that whenever a number on my mobile phone flashes, that is 1111 or 222 or 333, my eyes just stick onto my phone. So I thought it was just my mind's play. And after that, even when I used to go out to restaurants, I used to travel by cabs, all my bills were then 555, 444, 333, 222, 111. And then I realized that there was something else. It was not what my mind was telling me, because my mind could not change someone else's bill, right? So that point of time, then I started thinking about this is something else and I need to know. I need to get deeper. And that's when people started coming up to me and started talking about numbers and started talking about angel therapy, and I took on to this journey. Ever since, it's been beautiful, and at every stage I've just gone up and up and up and up, and I've found a lot of peace within me. Forget about everything else. I started being more joyful. I started being so it is a journey I have also taken with them. When you're more joyful, I was a person who would be a little stern and strict, and that is not a speck of it alive inside me. I'm more joyful, I'm more bubbly, and I enjoy my life a lot more. So that's how it happened with me. uh, Apart from that, the kind of help that I needed at that point of time, all I had to do was go ahead and make a prayer. It worked. Then I went, so my logical mind did not accept it. Like, no, there has to be a coincidence. So I went ahead and prayed for something more. I needed validation in my life. That also happened in my life. So I went ahead and tried something that seemed even more difficult. And that also happened in my life. And then I did not need any more validations, because smaller things that started coming into my life so easily, so effortlessly. I was now concentrating on bigger things in my life, and this was my journey with them.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Earlier on, when I came in unexpectedly, apologies for that. I actually just wanted to ask you. You said at the very beginning that they're not the angels are not they're not looked as male or female, but pictorially, Siddhi, when you see cards, like for example, like the name Michael, for example,
See, here
Archangel
is a
Michael,
picture of Archangel Michael. I'm
yeah,
sorry
it's
to
a
cut you. Can
male.
I?
Please, please.
So he's holding a sword here
Right.
and a shield in the other hand. He's seen as someone who's protector. He is mighty. Like how people who have issues with sometimes we say it is nazar, sometimes we say it is black magic, psychic contamination. Forget about all those things. You just need to clear out your cords with someone, whether it is relationship, whether it is health, monies, anything. We call out to Archangel Michael because we know that he is going to clear all our blocks away. Now, when you close your eyes for a minute and picturize someone who's very mighty, it's more likely that you're going to see a male figure, and that's how we are trained. These
Right.
pictures are made by us. We are trained to see them in a certain way. So when we picturize someone who's very mighty, we'll see a father figure. We'll see someone with so many muscles everywhere around. While if you see and talk about Archangel Ariel, who's connected more with nature, who's connected more with abundance and bounties of life. Now see, very mild and very pleasant energy. You'll often see her picture as a female figure. Now this is how we are trained to see them like that. Once again, who's connected with forest, with nature, but she's often seen with a lion. And right now is the time when Lion's Gate is opening. You should pray to her. So she's female, but she has so much of power, like a lion. But her main traits make her appear like a female to us. So that's what it is.
All right. Thank you for that. And those cards are beautiful. Can we see? You also took Archangel Metatron's name, right, at the beginning?
Yes.
Can we
And
please have a look? Oh, how
I'm sorry for the
beautiful!
reflections.
It's just gorgeous. I love the purple and everything. Beautiful.
Yes. So I'll tell you why purples and why this geometric symbol and why his hands are like this. See, very open. Sorry. Yeah. He listens to our prayers very quickly, very fast. In fact, he is said to be a brother to Archangel Sandalphon, who's carrying a goblet. So let me tell you about both of them, starting with Archangel Sandalphon, who takes our prayers and delivers to the higher realm, gets his blessings and delivers them to us. So he's actually doing the bridging work for us. While Archangel Metatron aids you with a lot of spiritual help, like both of us spoke separately on this, that after I started praying to archangels, a completely different realm opened up to me. That is the realm of dragons. I started connecting to them. He's also the angel who connects you to different dimensions and realms, who are ready to help you, who are ready to come in front and help you. Any help in the entire universe, any dimension is ready to help you. He will connect you with that. He's also the angel of sacred geometry. You see the hexagon and different geometric patterns. So people who are into learning or working with yantras, people who are into making mandalas, people who like to work with sacred geometry in terms of their healing powers, they are the ones who should definitely pray to Archangel Metatron, because he opens up that knowledge of spiritual geometry. He empowers you with a lot more when it comes to sacred geometry.
Lovely. Siddhi, the moment you mentioned numbers, it just started pouring in. Urmila, Sonam, Priya, Reena, they're all mentioning it happens with me. I see numbers repeatedly. Some of them have even said, I keep seeing 1111 and 222 quite regularly. And in the middle of all that, Beena is asking, it's an interesting question, that most people talk of numbers. I've never had any numbers like that. So does that mean that I'm not meant for this? like meant to connect with angels, even, and she happens to be a tarot reader. So I don't know if there's like some conflict of that might be coming in the way of this. Not
Yeah.
sure. So asking you, Siddhi.
Okay, so I'll tell you one thing, and I want everyone to clear out this misconception in mind. They are angels, they are not teachers. They are not going to come and whack you, hey, you're doing tarot or you're doing something like this, so I'm not going to work with you, you know. They are never going to do it. They are very mild, they're very supportive. If you need to go in a certain direction, they will nudge you. They will push you gently. They'll open out your doors in a certain way that you did not expect. So one misconception that's clear, that if I'm doing so and so, if I'm not doing so and so, they are not going to support me. But it does not mean that you go ahead and start doing everything that you didn't want or everything that's not right. Just calm down. Doing tarot is nothing wrong. You're supporting someone in getting answers. That's completely all right. Don't go, you're not going ahead and doing wrong to anyone. So that's completely fine. Now, coming to point number 2, there are different ways of connecting with them. Like there are students, there are friends who have never seen numbers, but in the morning they wake up with a very good fragrance in their room. In the morning they wake up with someone sweetly calling out to them, it's time to wake up, you know. Now these are the people who are very active in terms of their hearing. These are the guys who are very beautiful when it comes to, you know, there are 50 people playing music, there's an orchestra playing, and one guy missed a string. These are the ones who say this guy did something wrong. So they are very good in hearing. There's certain people who are very good with visuals. They can imagine things, they can visualize things, they can see something. So these are the ones who we like to carry with us. You know, I'm going shopping and I know you're the one who's going to spot all the defects. You're going to be the first one. So please come with me. You're going to be spotting the right color for me. You're going to be spotting the right thing for me. And just like that, you'll spot it for me. So these are the guys who are more likely to see numbers, to see presence. There are people who also see butterflies. There are people who see dragonflies very often. So as soon as they are praying in a packed room, they'll find a feather. Now, this is constantly happening with one of my clients. This is constantly happening with some of my students. The entire room is packed. Right after their prayer, they'll find a feather. Now, this is very beautiful. It is an acknowledgement that I've heard your prayer and I'm with you. There are certain people who do not get any of this. They just start feeling very calm. They just start feeling empowered in their heart chakra, in their heart. For no reason. They are thinking that they are in terrible stress, but an idea triggers in mind. This also shows the presence. So don't worry, it's not about numbers. Sometimes you see messages, sometimes you hear repeated song lines or repeated words. Wherever you go, the same song is playing. That also means that there's some sign for you. Yeah, so listen to that line very, very carefully. So don't be biased or stuck with the kind of sign you're receiving. It could be different for you.
Right. And thank you for clearing that up, because Priyansh actually asked, I don't see any numbers, no fragrance either. So does that mean I'm not doing something properly? But as you just explained, Siddhi, these are some of the ways that we know it is possible. These are the signs you can look out for. But again, these are constructs made by us as people, right? To understand. You could have something completely different and maybe no one's even thought about it till now. The fact is that the connection is different. You don't need to quantify it in any way, right?
Yes.
Lovely, fantastic. And somebody is saying, please help how to guide. Of course, you are going to get to know about what's going on, what this workshop is. And it's very detailed, Siddhi. It's like a 3-in-1 thing that you put together. Can't wait to get
Yes.
into those details for sure. Interesting question. Jay's asking how to build the right belief to be receptive to the messages from the higher realm.
Can you repeat that question for me,
Yes.
please?
How to build the right belief to be receptive to the messages from the higher realm.
Oh, so this most likely means that he's not sort of sure that what messages he's receiving, whether they are right for him. Or maybe he's just thinking that it is all imagination, it is all visualization of, or his own mind's creation, like how I did. All right. So there are two ways to look at it. Okay. Number one, when you're praying, ask them to change the way. Completely ask them to change the way. Ask for a validation. So if you're seeing numbers, ask for words. If you're seeing words, ask for sounds. If you're seeing sounds, ask for feathers. If you're seeing feathers, ask for coins. You'll also end up finding coins. There are a lot of times when I finished my prayer and there was a coin right next to me. And this has happened, and I got a lot of goosebumps initially, but now I just take it with a sweet smile. I collect those coins and then I use them for benefit of someone else. So see, all these things will keep happening. So you keep on just changing the way you are interacting with them. They will love it. Don't worry about it. Now, second thing, if you wanted to change your mind, what you need to do is simply do this. Sit aram se. Okay. And if everyone wants to do it together with me, go ahead and do it. It is going to be like a beautiful exercise. So go ahead and take 5 deep breaths. And with every breathing out, you're going to say Om. A deeper Om. I will be speaking loud for you. Each one of you can do it in your mind. So breathe in and Om. 2. Om. 3. Om. 4. Om. 5. Om. Slowly open your eyes, and what you need to do now is walk in front of a mirror. Look yourself right into your eyes and tell yourself that I'm ready to receive guidance from my guardian angels and Archangel Metatron. That's it. Tell yourself 5 times this. All right. And do this for another 7 days, and you might start getting flooded with a lot of messages. That point of time, please let me know.
Okay, so I couldn't go to the mirror right now, obviously. So I picked up my phone, switched the camera, and looked at
Yeah,
looked at it
you
and
can
said
do
it.
it. Yes, that's a creative way of doing it.
Happily turned it and I said, selfie lane, or should I just take one selfie as well? I said, no, just give the message and switch it back. So lots of questions coming in about, again, I read somewhere that one should make a wish when you see numbers like 11, 11, 2, 2, 2, 2. There's another person, 2 other people who've brought in references to seeing certain animals like squirrels and dragonflies. So is there an animal connection as well, Siddhi?
Yes, so I'll tell you what happened with one of my students when we were going ahead. And so after I give my attunement with Archangel Metatron, they're supposed to be doing 7 days, 5 minutes homework. And they're also supposed to be finding which Archangel is working for them. So she called out to the universe and all the archangels that please show me a sign, whoever's ready to work with me. And outside her window, all the dogs started barking suddenly. And she said, Archangel Ariel, and there's silence. She had her answer. So most likely when you're connecting with animal spirits, it could be Archangel Ariel or Archangel Metatron, because they are the ones who are connected that way.
I hope that answered your question. it scrolled up. I'm sorry, I didn't catch your name there. However, okay, there are people who've asked about the deck of cards, what they are, and thank you for all you lovely listeners who've actually given them answers back. This is what you call being supported. You know, you never know where support comes from. So if you can receive it from the people right next to you, I can't even begin to imagine if you open up to receiving it from these higher, beautiful beings, what are the kind of changes that can happen in your life and how wonderfully it can impact you. And to be so many people have learned from you already. And I know we've got a lot of questions. There's still questions coming in. But with everything that's happened like till now, if there's who can we bring on? I'm just having a quick look to see if they are connected.
Yes. If you don't mind getting one or two people in one go, before I go ahead and bring them in, I'd just like to say one thing that I have noticed that 30% of people that I've taught start seeing changes almost instantly, either in their relationship, either in monies or health. Let it be any kind of area in their life. And rest of them soon start getting guidance or changes in their life. Uh, so why don't we listen to some of them? If Sejal is here, Manini is here, please raise your hands so we can talk to you.
And
There's
I'm
so
just
many people. I'm just constantly scrolling down. I'm sorry.
yeah, no, no, not at all.
And
I'm just
Pooja Raika, any one of you, if you're here. In fact, very interesting thing happens on that front also, Neelu. When I sit and do card reading, either for my students or my teachers, sorry, my clients, the same kind, when we repeat the questions, even when I'm teaching or I'm doing a card reading, whether I'm shuffling and taking out cards or they are shuffling and taking out cards, the same cards come out because it's the same answer.
fantastic. It's so interesting you brought that up because this would be a likely question coming up soon, right? That every reader is different. If I go to five people, am I going to get five answers? You know, and just before you answer that, Sejal, I've asked to unmute you. If you could unmute yourself. Yes, Siddhi. Hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Sejal. Welcome in.
Thank you so much. Good morning, all. This is Sejal Jobanputra here.
Good morning.
Siddhi, may I share my experience with you? Everyone?
Yes, of course. Your experience with the class, your experience with me, what you liked. Be free to say whatever you like.
Okay. Thank you all so much. Actually, I'm a Reiki healer. I give distance healing to so many of the people. I was very keen to learn about angels. And luckily through Facebook, I got a chance to learn this workshop with Siddhi. And I had a really great and amazing experience. Like after giving healing to my clients with the help of angels, I got lovely appreciation. And I have healed so many of COVID patients. Right now, actually, their mind is very disturbed because of this COVID. But by healing with the help of angels, really gave them a lot of positivity. And I getting so many clients there. And the best part I would like to share about Siddhi, she is really an angel in my life. I noticed so many changes. I have learned many more modalities, but the best experience is with the angels. She's the best teacher, I would say. God helped me with the right teacher, and this lockdown was really a blessing in disguise for me. And the best part is that Siddhi, even if we ask so many times any question, she clears our doubts very patiently. Like she never gets irritated or like हम लोग को 100% satisfaction मिलता है. I am thankful to the universe for having me in the right hands. Thank you so much, Siddhi. Looking forward to learn so many more modalities from you.
Thank you. You've already learned so much. And in fact, Sejal is someone who started seeing changes very quickly in her life, soon after she joined Angel Workshop, isn't it?
Was there any particular thing that you were looking at working on and you saw the results there, Sejal?
Yes, I would like to share one more thing. How this webinar is today, this workshop is there. Likewise, Siddhi had arranged one workshop in the month of May. It was Candle Magic workshop. And I had just listened very carefully about this workshop. And the best part of Siddhi is she always puts this recording on Facebook. So I had noted down all the steps regularly. And after that, I started Candle Magic workshop. And trust me, I started getting so many clients. That time, even I just started the basics to learn. Right now, the course is going deeply, like into the deep details course. बट जब स्टार्टिंग में ही मैंने वो वेबिनार ज्वाइन किया था, that point of time only I started getting clients, and especially for finance. My clients have an amazing experience for finance. You know, like this current situation, सबको finance का बहुत problem होता है. But touch wood, by the grace of God, universe, angels, and of course Siddhi, who is my mentor, I'm really lucky. Like she taught me the right way to go through the things, and I am helpful to the society for giving some change in the financial relationship, and also for protection. I'm really thankful to Siddhi and to you all. Thank you for giving me a chance to share my experience.
Thank you. Thank you. Can we have Manini also on board if she's here?
Manini, I'm just looking for her. No, I'm unable to see Manini in case she's joined with just a
I'm
phone.
here.
Oh, you're here. There you are. Hi. Hi.
Hello. Hi, Siddhi.
Welcome in.
Hi, Manini.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So it's been barely, I'd say, 2 or 3 weeks since I've known Siddhi. I met her again through the Angel Workshop webinar, which she had hosted. And within just this much time, the amount of changes that I've seen, the positive impact of working with all these energies has been phenomenal for me. I've never been somebody who meditates. I've never been somebody who connects to angel energies too much. But right from, the webinar that we did, the energies that I could feel around me or the positive changes that I could see around me have been tremendous. And Siddhi has actually been such a blessing for me, I would say, in helping me to cope up with things that have been going on with me all this while. So I just want to say a big, big, big thank you to her. It's not just about angels. I have done healings with her. I have done meditations with her, and Siddhi is like the best. And the foremost thing is the patience with which she deals with things is superb. So, thank you, Siddhi. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you.
Thank you for coming on, Manini. I have to. You obviously connect so strongly with Siddhi. We can see it in your face, in the happiness with which you've just spoken about it, and obviously this connection, this workshop, has deeply, deeply impacted you. There's a good emotion you're feeling, right?
Thank you. Just one more thing I wanted to add. With Siddhi, it's never about a single workshop. She has so much to share about so many other things that if you're asking her, in an angel workshop about numbers, she's still going to go ahead and, solve it for you. So, she is just like, somebody you can go to for anything. So that is what I feel, is the best part about her. So, she's a blessing to have, honestly.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm equally blessed to have you all.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for coming on, Manini. Thank you for sharing.
If we don't mind, Neelu, Pooja Rai has had a lot of reading experiences with me, and she's just sent a message that Pooja's here, Nitin Viraj is here. Yeah.
I've just asked Pooja to unmute. Hi, Pooja, is that you? Hi, welcome in.
Hi, how are you? Thank you so much. First, for me, Siddhi is an angel. She helped me so much. Till date, she's helping me whenever I call her, whenever I message her. She is always there for me. Her readings are very good. She's like a elder sister to me, guiding towards my journey. And she's really connected to the angels, and she has helped me a lot to connect with the angels. She has taught beautiful reading of angels to me as well. Even I'm doing the same. But I'm blessed to have her. she listens to us very calmly and sort out all the issues which we face during the course. You know, she's not like कि बस इतना हो गया अब I will not do it. No, she always tries to help us. बहुत ज़्यादा she helps a lot. She's an angel to me. And all her workshops are amazing, and I'm still doing and I'll be doing later on for my, like, improvement of my own self.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you, Pooja.
Very sweet of you.
And Siddhi, Pooja is actually, she's pretty much hit the nail on the head. You know, you are an angel, and I've had personal experience of getting healing work done by you. And if people can be named angels, then you need to make your, you know, at least top 20, because we come across so many. You're definitely on my list. So.
Thank you, Neelu. Everyone's faith is what I think gets me going to a certain aspect. I feel very responsible then. Yes.
Fantastic. And you know, where there are a lot of other people who are waiting to come on and share their experience of working, of learning from you, and then implementing it into their lives. Before that, two interesting things have happened here. So I'm just quickly going to ask you, Siddhi. One is, you know, between Sejal and a bit of the conversation actually went into, a bit of what they were saying went into a little bit of Hindi as well. And we've been getting some requests about, can you speak in Hindi? So tell me something, Siddhi, the workshop that you're doing, is it only English, or is there an option to do it in Hindi as well?
Why don't we listen from Nitin? He's here. And he had put in a special request to me that I like it in Hindi. It's not that I don't understand, but I like to learn in Hindi.
Oh,
and
interesting.
The entire workshop, we've done so much for him, and we'll also get to hear his experience, and I'll also answer this question after he's done. His name must be Nitin Viraj on this.
Yeah, Nitin's here. I've asked for Nitin. Nitin, are you here? Say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. There you are. बस बढ़िया, आप सुनाएं।
भाई पहले मैं तारीफ करने से पहले जो है थैंक यू कहना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि गुरु को जो होता है ना, जब गुरु होता है वो वाकई में ही उसकी जो दी हुई हमारी शिक्षा होती है उसका तो हम मोल कैसे भी नहीं चुकाते। ठीक है, हम लोगों ने चाहे किसी वर्कशॉप के पैसे दे दिए, बट जो गुरु दे जाता है ना वो बिल्कुल अलग होता है, उसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती। ठीक है, तो इसलिए मैं सबसे पहले तो सिद्धि मैम को बहुत थैंक्स कहूंगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने हम लोगों को इस एंजल वर्कशॉप में बहुत कुछ जग दिया। शायद हम इतना सा बैग लेके आए थे और उन्होंने इतना 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 दिया हमें। तो जैसे कि मैं अभी आपको एक फिगर दिखाता हूँ, एक्चुअली वो ऐसी है अपने स्वभाव में, एकदम नम्रतापूर्ण। ठीक है, और वो देने में हमेशा ऐसी रहती हैं। वो हमेशा उनके हाथ ऐसे खुले रहते हैं कि वो देना चाहती हैं, बस आप उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछो, ऐसा नहीं है कि उनके पास सॉल्यूशन नहीं होता, और बहुत अच्छे तरह से समझाती हैं। और ऐसा नहीं है कि अगर ग्रुप में किसी को क्वेरी है, जैसे मेरी भी क्वेरी थी तो आउट ऑफ द कोर्स भी थी, वो भी मैम ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से उसको पूरा वैल्यू दिया। और ये बहुत अच्छी बात होती है, क्योंकि एक मेंटर, एक जो सीखने वाला बंदा होता है ना, वो किसी गुरु के पास या किसी मेंटर के पास तभी जाता है क्योंकि उसके पास बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। तो जरूरी नहीं है कि उसके पास सिर्फ फिजिक्स पढ़ने गया तो फिजिक्स के क्वेश्चन हो सकता है वो अपनी टीचर से ये भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हो कि उसकी जनरल लाइफ के बारे में भी वो थोड़ा बहुत डिस्कस कर ले तो उसका सॉल्यूशन मिल जाए। तो लिटरली सिद्धि मैम के साथ ऐसा ही हुआ। मेरा एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहा, मतलब हमारे ग्रुप का ही ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा रहा, क्योंकि हर कोई आएगा, हर कोई यही कहेगा कि वाह 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 वाह। और दूसरी चीज, एक चीज और मैं कहूंगा, जो लोग नए हैं, जब मैं पहली बार मैं भी आया था तो लोग अपने टेस्टिमोनियल दे रहे थे, तो मुझे लगा हाँ यार ये तो हर किसी के साथ ऐसा ही होता है, हर कोई आता है टेस्टिमोनियल देता ही है। पर वाकई में उसके बाद जब चीजें बदलनी शुरू हुई तो बहुत ही अच्छे एक्सपीरियंस रहे और सॉल्यूशंस भी हुए। और मैं आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता रहा हूँ कि जब मैंने ये हम लोगों ने वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन की थी, उसके थोड़े दिनों बाद से ही ना एकदम लाइफ में थोड़ा सा स्टेबिलिटी आने लगी। इवन फाइनेंशियल उसमें भी मेरे को स्टेबिलिटी सी दिखने लगी। कुछ चीजें मैं प्रोडक्ट्स बनाता था उससे पहले नहीं था, और अचानक से लोगों की अप्रोच आने लगी और ये चीज खुलने लगी, और बाकी कॉन्फिडेंट भी आया और रिलैक्स रहने लगा माइंड। और बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था, शब्दों में शायद मैं उसको हम लोग बोलते चले जाएंगे तब भी खत्म नहीं होगा। ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था। थैंक यू सो मच सिद्धि मैम, और हम आगे भी आपसे सीखते रहेंगे, और आप ऐसे ही सबको सिखाते जाइए और सबका एक्सपीरियंस ऐसे ही बहुत अच्छा होगा। मतलब मैं सबको जो जो अभी आए हैं यहाँ पर नए हैं, मैं उनको यही कहूंगा कि आप आओ, आप टेस्ट करने के हिसाब से ही आओ, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ आप आओ, पर जब आपका एक्सपीरियंस बदलेगा ना, आप अगली बार टेस्टिमोनियल के लिए आप लोग ही आएंगे यहाँ पे और हम लोग देख रहे होंगे। तो गुड लक सभी के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू मैम।
That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मैम। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू नितिन, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से आपने बताया और समझाया। So happy कि आप आए and you shared this. Your enthusiasm has reached everybody. It has touched everyone. आपकी खुशी, आपकी enthusiasm, आपकी excitement सब तक पहुंची है।
मैं सच में दिल से चाहता हूँ कि सब लोग इसका फायदा उठाएं। बहुत बहुत अच्छा कोर्स है। और आपको एक होता है कि हम किसी को बता देते हैं, मैंने बताया कि भाई ये करो ऐसा हो जाएगा, एक होता है कि मैंने बताया कि ये करो और तुरंत वो आपको फील हो गया। ये सिद्धि मैम की क्लास में हुआ, प्रैक्टिकल इमीडिएट, बहुत सारे लोगों ने तुरंत वो हुआ। बस बाकी सबसे मेन चीज है आपका सरेंडर। आप कितने दिल से खोल के आप सामने वाले से लेने के लिए तैयार बैठे हो। वो तो देने के लिए हाथ खोले हुए, मैंने अभी फिगर दिखाई ना, वो ऐसे ही खोले हुए। और सच में कह रहा हूँ, वो हमेशा कभी भी मैंने कॉल किया तो एक तो उनकी आवाज इतनी गजब है ना, उनकी ऑरा ही एकदम ऐसी होती है कि हमारी क्लास जब खत्म होने वाली होती है हम कहते थे यार प्लीज नहीं हो, थोड़ी देर मैम और, थोड़ी देर मैम, ऐसा हो जाता। गॉड ब्लेस यू मैम, ईश्वर करे
Thank
आपको
you.
बहुत
God bless you
आप
too.
बहुत लोगों को अच्छा अच्छा सिखाएं। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you. Thank you. Amen.
Thank
So
you,
coming,
Nitin. Yeah, that was really nice. So just very quickly, letting all our international audience know in just a few lines what Nitin basically said is that first of all he said thank you to his guru, his teacher, who is Siddhi, and with a lot of love and excitement and enthusiasm, he has said that there is not a thing that you cannot or will not experience with Siddhi. He will have answers for you, and you don't have to have just a limited question. Ask anything, you will always get an answer. And when you learn with Siddhi, you see the impact immediately. He himself experienced stability, confidence increase in his life almost immediately. Products that he was making started selling again. So that's in a quick summary of what Nitin said. And I see there are lots of hands raised. Dear people, just put your question into the chat box. It'll just be easier for us to pick it up. Sorry, Siddhi, continue.
I happened to sneak into the messages in between, and I had done 2 days back a session with one of our golden light, white light groups, and there was a lady who attended. Her name is Pyle, and she happened to send a message saying that only with that session something happened in her life. If we could have her on board, if she's ready to talk about it.
Pyle, you said?
Yeah.
And while we look for Payal and see if we can get her on, Siddhi, is this Payal Nagrani or Payal Rohit?
Yes, Payal Nagrani.
Payal Nagrani.
Yeah, hi Siddhi, good morning, I'm here.
Good morning. Thank you so much. Your message lit me up.
You don't imagine. I mean, it was a miracle for me. I told you the other day, I broke up with my guy in March 2020, and since then he was not even reacting to my messages. He was not reading my messages, and I was in utter shatter mode the other day when I attended your this thing. And in the meanwhile, I told you that I was watching these signs that 111, 222, 444. I was getting up in the morning at 333 with sweet smell and 444 with sweet smell and stuff like that. So, I was like, what's happening around? I mean, what is this? And the other day you cleared that, these are all, things that are, that could be possible. And the other day you draw some cards for me also, in tarot cards, and you said, okay, fine, this is how
Those were angel cards. I'm sorry to correct.
Yeah, and I mean, I just prayed to my angels when I saw these repetitive numbers. And yesterday when I messaged him, he read all of my messages. So it was a miracle of me. Okay, he did not revert it back to me, but it was a sign that at least he actually saw the messages that I've sent it to him. So yeah.
Thank you so much. I wish miracles happen in everyone who's attending today.
Yeah, thank you so
Everyone's
much.
life.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming on, Payal. Thank you for sharing. And how lovely is that today, just a few minutes, in the span of whatever, just a few minutes or whatever your on-spot thing was, and it helped Payal so much. Thank you, Payal, for coming on and sharing that with us.
So I love doing some small little exercises when I'm doing sessions, when I'm doing readings, when I'm just taking or giving some kind of guidance, or I talk about angels. First of all, I get involved. I invoke their presence, and that's what I teach in my workshop. So why don't I give you? I start giving you some tips.
Yes, absolutely. Very, very quickly, Siddhi, before that, because numbers for some reason is popping up continuously.
Okay.
Everyone's asking, what does this number mean? What does that number mean? Do you cover this in the workshop as well?
Of course I do. Of course I do.
So there's your answer. Wait, there's a fantastic offer coming up. Because that's what Siddhi does. She opens up and she just gives. There's a super offer on this fabulous 3-in-1 workshop, which you're going to hear about soon. Before that, so these couple of questions have come in. If I could just ask you before we go into the exercise. So there's somebody who's asked, people who pass away, do they become our angels?
Yes, they do. They do become your guardian angel, but this depends on their choice to come and guard you, largely. So in a lot of cases, I've seen that one of my students, she had her grandmother as her guardian angel. We are anyway born with minimum 2 guardian angels, and those are dedicated for our welfare, for giving us guidance, for protecting us, for healing us. So it's not that they are going to stop our journey. They're not going to stop our journey and learnings. But when our learnings are happening, they're the first people to go and give you a hand, like, come on, I'll help you, come. So, and as you start walking a certain path, as you start praying more, it is a likely possibility that your guardian angels will increase. More number of angels will want to guard you. More number of angels will want to help you. I've seen this in a lot of cases, like animal welfare. People who are into it, who are doing some selfless act, they are guarded by more number of angels. They will never have empty cups. Their cups will always be filled. You don't know from where it will come. You don't know how it will come. But because they are going ahead and helping so many people, there are so many angels helping and guarding them. Everyone who does selfless acts ends up attracting lots and lots of angels in their life.
And how do you know who your guardian angel is? Siddhi, is that also covered in the workshop?
Yes, so we do connect with guardian angels. We try to get their names. It happens with everyday practice and every session practice. Every session of mine starts with a prayer. Every session has a meditation. Every session has so many exercises. And yes, I'm someone who gives away 10 minutes homework, and I like and appreciate when people do it, because that's what is going to give you a lot of changes coming into your life, right? So 10 minutes, 5 minutes is all you need to give daily. That's about it.
And animal questions also coming in. So bringing these 2 questions up is this Sushma? Sushma's asked, I always see the eye of Ganpati or an elephant or many other animals, but just an eye. Does that signify anything? And on the other side of that question is Prachla, sorry, I'm afraid of pigeons and feathers. How do I take this as an interpretation, and how do I come out of this fear? So looking at these 2 questions, so they again asking, disconnecting with the animals or the animal connection, is that also a part of the learnings here?
So animal connection, no, is not a part of this, but I do make people aware of this. There is a small module on being aware of the animal spirits, because I give attunements for Archangel Metatron. It sometimes opens up doors for different dimensions, and animal spirits are included in that. Like someone who's already seeing an eye of elephant, an eye of Ganesha, means you're watched over. Don't worry. If that eye is loving towards you, you are watched over. Don't worry about it. In fact, every time you see it, please So there's a separate workshop that I will be coming up with you guys only, that is about dragons. And in that, I include animals. Now, second is someone who's scared of pigeons or pigeon feathers. It is like a phobia you need to address. It is something that may not be, or maybe from this life, or maybe some other fear you've nurtured over a period of time. If you think this is the time you should let go of this fear, all you need to do is close your eyes, call upon Archangel Michael, place your right hand on your heart, and say, clear my phobia off. Archangel Michael, clear my phobia off. And then, if it is feathers, if it is pigeons, just address. Put the right word into this, and it'll help you. See, do this 21 sentences, 21 days, and see the magic happen in your life. Try it out, I'll say.
Lovely, fantastic. And there are people already asking about the offer. We will get there. I love this excitement. Tell me, Siddhi, you were saying you were going to go into some exercise and lots of questions in. Just want to let everybody know right now itself, post the call, there will be a Telegram group link that will be shared with everyone. And it's your post-call support call system place with Siddhi. You can still keep asking questions there. So just in case we miss any questions here, they will still be taken care of later. And the link will also be shared with you. Just letting everybody know so that they know that there is no question that is going to be left unanswered, so to speak.
Yes,
So,
don't worry about it. Yeah, so let me give you a few tips that are going to go ahead and help you. So this time, this phase of life, people who have had a breakout of acne or people who are suffering from hair loss just because of the stress, go ahead and do this. 21 days, 21 sentences. All you need to do is give yourself 5 minutes. So call out to Archangel Haniel and say that treat my acne or treat my hair loss or hair fall, whatever it is, anything to do with your beauty, anything to do with your skin, your hair, call out to Archangel Haniel, ask her to treat that one particular thing in your life. Second, people who are suffering from any kind of pain, people who are suffering or may have met with any kind of accident, any kind of wound, anything that needs physical healing, please go ahead and call upon Archangel Raphael. So for an example, I'm feeling some kind of pain on my left arm. I'm just going to place my right hand on top of that, and I'm just going to say Archangel Raphael, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Raphael. I'm only speaking out his name while I'm holding the organ or hand or the body part with my right hand. That's it. All I'm doing is just calling out his name. And you can do it as many times as you wish in a day. Minimum is 21. Okay? People who have pets or plants at your home, just go to them and tell them Archangel Ariel. That's it, 21 times. And see the kind of change. After 21 days, you're free to come and message me what the kind of change, what is that, the kind of change that you're seeing. And I'm very sure you'll see a beautiful change. People who are looking at self-love, improving your relationship with others, maybe opening yourself up to forgiveness. There's so many people who are not open to give or receive forgiveness. Place your right hand onto your heart chakra and just say, Archangel Samuel, heal me. Archangel Samuel, heal me. Archangel Samuel, please heal me. And one last is people who wish to increase the psychic powers, their intuitive abilities. Go ahead and do this. Close your eyes and just say 21 times, Archangel Metatron, please guide me. And that's about it. These are very simple remedies, but see the kind of changes. Okay, this is one more thing that I am guided to give you all. A boost in your monies, a boost in your incomes. Take a coin or a note, a bill between both your palms, join your hands and say, Archangel Ariel, I'm ready to receive. I'm ready to double up. I'm ready to receive. And that's it. Do it 21 times, 21 days. It could be your wallet between both your hands. It could be your bank's document. So if it is something that comes directly into your bank. So it is Archangel Ariel.
This is so nice, Siddhi. I was busy making notes. I'm going to be calling out to all of them. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm literally I'm going to be sitting in here one by one. Everyone like this. I can immediately see. I am definitely calling out to Archangel Haniel. I'm going to be praying to Archangel Raphael. DJ for DJs here, so I'm definitely calling out to Archangel Ariel as well, and Archangel Samuel, Archangel Metatron. Yeah, pretty much all of them. I know I'm going to be praying to all of them for sure. I hope everyone else is also, and we will remind you about who to call out for what in the group as well. So don't worry in case you didn't note that down or you missed a name somewhere. We will have it there for you in the Telegram group as well. So these are lovely tips. Thank you. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, you know, this is something that could just as easily have just been kept to make it a part of just a workshop. And this is just a glimpse of the giver that Siddhi is and the amount that you can receive from her if you take your leap of faith with her. So you got to do that. You really got to. And Siddhi, with all of this that's happened, especially with these tips coming out, and I'm sorry, people are saying there's no. Oh no, this is an older message. It skipped up for a moment. I suddenly saw messages about no sound, and I'm like, sorry, did I miss that? Okay. Siddhi, everyone thinks thank you to you. And Anju's asked, who's the relationship angel?
Archangel Samuel.
Who I believe is also the angel to pray to when you're trying to look for something, right?
Yes, so he's also the angel who will help you if you've had any of your items lost. Now, this is what happened with me one day. I happened to lose my ring somewhere. I looked everywhere, I couldn't find it. Finally, I surrendered to Archangel Samuel. In another 10 minutes, I found it lying next to me.
He was right there.
It was right there.
Bhavana, interesting. Thank you for your question. I'm sorry, people, I'm a little biased. Anytime animal questions come up or pet questions come up, it just catches my eye.
Sure.
Bhavana's asked, what about healing for pets? So if one does this workshop and you do a connect with Angel Miracle,
yes,
will it work on your pets as well?
Yes, I work on my pets, on my plants. I've had trouble with this one for a while, but yeah, it's blooming now. I'm sorry to get it in between, but yeah, it has helped my pets. I have a 9-year-old cat at my home, and sometimes he gets into self-created trouble. So I often use this for my cat. Yes.
Okay, and interesting, Harshita is asking, can I pray to Archangel Raphael on behalf of my Nani who's in pain?
Yes. With her permission, yes. But any which ways, you're a family member, so that's not going to be an issue. So you can definitely go ahead and do it. So, okay, so there are many other things that you learn in the class, which I think people are missing out on. So number one is you get an attunement, you get to see the past life records. You also learn about the basic of candle work. That is about setting up prayers. Now this includes your family members, your friends, your relatives, your business, so the basic of candle prayers is included in this workshop. So yes, you will be able to set it up for your loved ones.
Fantastic. And since you are telling us a bit about what's going on in the workshop, Siddhi, tell us fully what are all the components of the workshop? Because I know you've got things like spells and angel crystals and herbs and oils also involved. So tell us a little about the breakup of the workshop. I think people will be able to have a better understanding of the vastness of the topics that you're covering.
Yeah. So as I usually say, it is minimum 14 hours workshop. That means minimum 7 days, 2 hours each. But I usually end up extending it for more number of days if I need to. In that, it starts with a basic understanding of your guardian angels, your archangels, connecting with them, meditating with them, seeking guidance and healing without any other tools. It's your direct connection. Okay. I also give away attunement with Archangel Metatron, post which we move into the idea of getting and accessing past life records. I teach reading with oracle cards. The one that I showed you today is this deck, and I introduce different decks through which you can go ahead and do your oracle card reading. But that's not it. The most interesting part of this workshop is receiving your own messages and creating your own oracle. So by then, everyone has practiced it so much and everyone is so in tune and in sync with the energies of Archangel Metatron that they get into the practice of doing it. Then comes the part of understanding different tools, that is your candles, your oils, your herbs, and crystals that you're going to go ahead and set your prayers with.
Fantastic.
So all this is completely included, and it happens usually with 2 hours. If I have enough number of, usually I have, so I make separate batches for Hindi and English speaking people. If there's someone that people do not understand because of language barrier, I repeat it for them.
And you know what? That's such a lovely thing to do, because we do actually get a lot of people asking, for Hindi. And when we do these calls, because it's going out internationally, we just stay with English as a language. So I think this is absolutely delightful that you're doing this. Everybody over here who's been asking, can it be done in Hindi? Here's your answer. You know it's going to happen. Make sure to take it on. Siddhi, with all of this, what is one hoping to achieve? Like, what are they going to be able to do once they learn all this?
See, the very first thing that I always ask people to come with an open mindset is, number one, is be ready to surrender. You have any kind of worries, you have any kind of trouble in your life, they are higher energies, number one. Number two, they are smarter energies. Surrendering your trouble to someone who's smarter than you, who has smarter understanding of energies. So be ready to surrender. And second, be ready to receive. Do not doubt. Do not doubt. When you're ready to receive, you will receive. We will hear from Sana also in a few minutes. But usually, as I told you, Neelu, in 30% of my students' life, instantly after they started doing this, some kind of changes started rumbling, and all of them were positive. There are people who saw the health changing for good. Money started coming in, clients started coming in for people who wanted more monies, more clients. And I have had a recording from Pooja Raika also, if we can go ahead and play. In her life, she had reached to a point where she would just go ahead and divorce, or she would just go ahead and do something wrong to her own self. But they saved her from that. Certain kind of changes started happening inside her. So there are two kind of changes, Neelu, that one should expect. One is the change within yourself. Second is change in the external factors, the way people look at you, the way business is coming to you, the way things are improving for you. So there are internal and external changes. Both of them I've seen happening with others. Yeah, and this empowers them to go ahead and do it for others, go ahead and do it for their loved ones, their family members. So this gets them down to a road where they start taking a lead and start healing their own lives, including others.
Lovely.
In fact, there was, sorry.
Yes, please, no, please go ahead, please go ahead.
In fact, there was a very beautiful question someone had asked a few minutes before, because they're flashing, sometimes my eyes are just catching them. It's like how to thank your angels. You know, the way I follow is when my work or wish is done, or when one of my clients' work or wish is done, I keep a sum and I donate it for a good cause. I feed animals. I do something good for someone else. And that is the best way you can go ahead and thank your angels that you've done something unconditionally for me. I will go ahead and do something unconditional for others. And that is the way you spread this light.
Beautiful. And like you said, there are questions coming up that are catching the eye. Hang on, dear people, we'll just get to that. Siddhi, it is so detailed what you're doing, and the amount of time going in, because it is a learning thing. You do need time to process it, to take it in. What does this workshop normally cost, Siddhi? Like this entire thing together. Normally,
what is this?
Yeah.
Your voice has started breaking.
Sorry, my voice is breaking. Okay, give me a second. Tell me now.
Please say something more.
Yeah, is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay. I was just asking, Siddhi, is this entire very detailed, in-depth workshop that you put together, what does it normally cost?
It is called Angel Miracles Workshop because that's what you expect coming into your life.
Right.
No,
and
because that's what happened with me when I got in touch with them. Yes.
Right. And what does it normally cost? What are the charges normally? The regular charges.
Okay, sorry, I misunderstood it for called. Okay, so yeah, do I tell you the benefits first or the charges first?
If it was possible to have both of them being said together, I would say yes to that. Tell us the benefits first.
So with this workshop, there is a bonus of receiving 12 full moon meditations. That means throughout the year, you will be connecting with your angels in a guided meditations that I give you every full moon for a year. There are review sessions, that means practice sessions, 3 to 5 after this workshop. Because people come to me to learn these oracle card reading, I go ahead and give them a support for 6 months for their own card reading. So whenever they are conducting card reading for someone else, they are stuck, they need help, I'm always there. The biggest benefit of this workshop is it is not strictly limited to this timeline. It is minimum. I have to deliver a few modules. I have to deliver a few chapters. Irrespective of how long it is going to take, I'm going to cover up everything in a way everyone understands. Okay, everyone who's attending needs to understand and get this blessing in their life. Okay, and now coming to this workshop comes for rupees 7,500.
And that's the offer. Siddhi, what you do, this entire work that you do, all right, this is Siddhi being modest, all right? So she's not said it. Let me tell you, this would normally cost, this entire setup, if you were to take with Siddhi, out of the blue, just randomly, it would actually cost you 54,000 rupees, 54,400 rupees, or USD 828. Okay, that's how much, if you look at what goes into putting a program like this together, the knowledge, the material, the sharing, the backup support, everything, this is what it would cost. And on this, the Mystic Lotus and Dragonflies awesome master series. Hello, thank you. Look at what Siddhi is giving it to you for 7,500 only. Only. This is where I want to go all Hindi. As in like, Manje aao, what is ye kaise hua? So let me translate that to what just happened. This is what happened. This is what Siddhi does. And on these and on this masterclass series. Thank you so much, Siddhi. 54,400 rupees original cost at only 7,500. People, that's just USD $115. Oh, and by the way, Siddhi, this is just for the first 10 people. Just for the first 10 people. So we are sharing the payment details with you on the chat right now as we're speaking. The team is being put up for you. Please utilize the offer of being part of the first 10. The payment details, all of this will be a part of the call replay as well. But if you're here live, go on. Take this opportunity because the price will go up after this. So yeah. And by the way, the benefits, Siddhi, that you were mentioning about the 12 full moon meditations and the 6-month support, those are bonuses, Siddhi. You know, this is not just something that's like randomly available. You are giving this in addition. Benefits are huge. People are going to be seeing shifts in their life, their work, their finances, everything.
Yes, they are. In fact, yes. Otherwise, I would have charged lot more. But this is not the time. This is the time, testing time for everyone. And everyone, what they need in life is a little bit of miracle, you know. So I thought of bringing so many things together in one. And what I forgot telling about is I also do card reading. I give a card reading session away for all the students who are coming in. So in case they need to work on something. In fact, why don't we listen from Sana and Bhavna, that is Nakul. I think the name here is Nakul, and they might want to tell you a little about the workshops.
We do have Sana here, and Sana, before we get you on to ask you the question, it's interesting, Siddhi, that you mentioned the fact that you actually do a person reading for everybody who joins the workshop. We also come across the fact, Siddhi, you know, that not everybody is in the space of wanting to learn. Right now, they're just very happy to be able to have a healer work on them. So there is something special for everybody here who does not want to go into the workshop. Maybe, listen, you should, by the way, but just in case you want a separate session with Siddhi, there's a very nice offer there too, and we'll just come back to that. Sana is here. Sana, I'm asking to unmute you. There you are. Hi, Sana, welcome in.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so I would just like to begin with something like, you know, it's this entire workshop. If you ask me, my experience, Siddhi knows it, it has been completely out of the world only for me. Because I have always been connected, you know, to angels. Probably it's like from childhood. But the experiences that I have not been able to understand, you know, with under her guidance, the way she explained me and helped me, you know, connect those dots, I have seen a complete different perspective of it. And when I have shared those experiences with her, and you know, she knows, you know, that glitter that comes when I talk about it, and she very much understands. Not only that, you know, when you're doing those sessions, because it's a power-packed, you know, group bunch altogether, because you're not only getting the attunement, you're also able to understand how to, you know, how to know that they are connecting to you, how to be open. And when you do the past life records, you know, I had an experience where I didn't want to come back from where I had actually reached. It was so difficult to come back to this dimension, and I was just stuck. I immediately called her up, and she literally paused the entire session. She helped me, like, you know, in that particular period to come back where I am, and she made sure that I was comfortable before she would proceed. And amazingly, everybody in the group could understand that, and they were all, and believe me, this entire group that we have, it's more like a family now. So we talk to each other, we share our experiences, and that's how what you're going to get. See, learning, in boosting money, that's all that is required. But also to empower yourself, people who really want to, you know, bring out that breakthrough in their life, they should definitely take this up, because it really gives you your own existence, what it means to be here and what it means, and everything else will follow. Your abundance, your money, your relationship, what you desire, they will get it all channelized for you. But first, get a hold of your own self. And if you really feel guided, she is one person I would always vouch upon, because her hand holding, it's something that you would not experience selflessly by people. Because see, this entire thing is, for some, it may be just, to give away the wisdom, but for her, she actually is like creating legacy. And you will also connect to animal spirit, plant spirit, water kingdom, earth kingdom, Gaia, you name it, where you want to reach. You just follow what she's trying to tell you with an open heart, mind, and that acceptance. और आप पहुंचोगे आपको जहां पहुंचना है. And it's not like कि अगर नहीं हो रहा है overnight तो नहीं होगा. It will happen. You have to have that belief and faith in the universe. And her readings, it's all divine timing. She will connect with you when you are in that spot, and wo answers will come to you. I am really blessed to, have been attuned to her, and I have got more clarity of what I am. And thank you, Siddhi, for always being there.
Thank you so much.
वो time भी नहीं देखते. I have even called her up at 11 in the night. And वो time भी नहीं देखते हैं. That's the beauty of her.
Thank you so much.
Lovely. Thank you for coming on, Sana. Thank you so much. And I'm just taking a quick second to check with Siddhi, with you, with everybody listening in. Are you able to hear my voice? I had a little bit of a hiccup with my other earpiece, so I've changed it. Can you hear me? Just a single yes. Oh, super. Thank you. Thank you for that. And this is lovely. By the way, Siddhi, any chance that Sana and Neeraj, was it?
Nakul.
Nakul, sorry. No, not Nakul. The gentleman who had come on at the beginning who spoke.
Nitin.
And
Nitin. Yes.
Any chance Sana and Nitin are in the same group? They are.
Full chance. Yes.
I can see, you can see it. I can see it. I know everybody can see it. That group must be very special for you. I mean,
it is.
They're like shining in vibrational happiness. So good to see all of them. And then Nitin, I can see him now smiling again.
Yes. So that's what I was telling, that what Sana said, that they are no longer colleagues or people or students who are learning together. They've become like a family. They've really, I see the group bursting with energy when I enter the WhatsApp group, and then I realize that, oh God, I've missed out on like zillions of messages. And then I go back and I have to read each one of them.
Right. In fact, Siddhi, exactly that. A lot of people asking because they need to, they need to know the details before they can make the time commitment. When is the workshop starting, Siddhi?
Okay, so the weekend batch is going to be 11 to 1. Okay. Yeah, and it is going to be like a week from now.
So today's
of August. 9th of August.
Okay, so you're beginning on the 9th.
Yeah.
Right.
And there's going to be these
are weekend batches.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and for people who are not comfortable with weekend and people who need afternoon time. So basically this is going to be 2 days in a week workshop for everyone, so that everyone is able to absorb everything, practice for a week, come back energized, learn more, go back, practice a little more and come back. And that is the format of most of my workshops, so that you get the hands-on experience with what you're doing. So there is going to be weekday class also in the afternoon for people who like it to be afternoon and weekdays. And I have kept one more option open for languages and other timings that will be worked out as we churn it ahead.
Fantastic. So first off, straight off the bat, workshops are beginning on the 9th of August. weekend workshop. You said 11 to 2, right? 11 a.m. to 2 p.m.?
11 to 1. It is
11
2
to
hours.
1. It's 2 hours, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. And there is an option for weekday classes in the afternoon for those who are unable to do weekends. What are the timings for the afternoon weekday classes?
Usually they are 2:30 to 4:30.
2:30 to 4:30 usually. And what about people who are working and they want to learn this but maybe unable to do any classes till before the evening? Depending on
I will
who
have
you
a
are,
batch for them.
You'll work something out. Yes.
So I've kept one
Fantastic.
option open like that. Yes.
Right. So sweet. I have a baby of 4 years, very naughty, so timing matters. I don't have any. My heart reaches out to you. I'm trying to see your name. I'm scrolling. This is Gitanjali. Heart goes out to you. Can understand completely, and I can also imagine how timing is very important. I hope this helped. Right now, we've just given you a set of at least 2 timings. Weekends 11 to 1, beginning 9th August. Weekdays in the afternoon is 2:30 to 4:30. And there is an option for evening classes depending on the number of people and the requirement. Do come on, Gitanjali. Take this on. Right. So,
and for people who happen to miss out or happen to feel like learning it again, so they can join the other batch that is happening simultaneously, or they will get replays that will be available for them for a very short period of time. But it is just for a quick recap.
So twice a week for how many weeks, Siddhi? Jaspreet's asked.
Sorry, twice a week.
Twice a week for how many weeks?
Because it is minimum 7 batches. It is going to be like 3 to 4 weeks for you. But if it goes on, it will be like 5 weeks for you. Around approximation.
So a few questions there sorted and taken care of. If in case there are any other questions about this, please do post it in. I was mentioning earlier, Siddhi, that you do have an option. You are also offering separately, nothing to do with the workshop, a special session with you. What is that, please?
Okay, so there are 2 things I'm offering. One is a demo session tomorrow for people who wish to come and attend and see the way I teach. And number 2 is card reading session that people who are stuck with life, people who need to know answers, or people simply who need to know guidance. Okay, I am conducting a special offer for them for today's masterclass. So I usually charge my sessions at rupees 1,900. People who book through this initiative will get it at rupees 1,200 straight. So it is
fantastic.
It is a 30-minute session, not limited to number of questions.
Lovely. So people, workshop offer, super amazing. Something that costs 54,400 rupees is yours for the taking at only 7,500 rupees. It does not get better than this. And in addition, you also have the option of taking on a 30-minute personal session with Siddhi. Normally charges 1,900 rupees or USD 29. Yours for the taking through this masterclass at only 1,200 rupees or $19. And there it is on your screen as well. Thank you. Madhu, you're asking where to register after Paytming the money. You know what? Just message the team in. Just message Amrish in.
Yes, and Amrish is very kind. He's in fact worked out EMI options for whoever wishes to register, but wishes to pay in parts. And that's what, when he messaged me during the week, and I was so happy. People who need to get it in their life, it is something you should go ahead and consider. You don't need to think twice before going ahead and taking this up. So thank you, Amrish, for that.
And the details of the EMI are being asked. It will be shared on the Telegram group as well, and in your replay email. So keep a lookout. Oh, in fact, I'm so sorry. If you are requesting for an EMI, do get in touch with Amrish directly. will definitely take you through it. And all of you know by now, but just in case you don't, Amrish is our steady rock star. He runs everything very quietly from behind. The entire team, really, Shilpa, Miswa, Ruchira, super awesome, absolutely fantastic. You're all in good hands with the team, and you're also in the hands of a beautiful expert with connecting with Angel Miracles. So people, you gotta take this on, really, really. And Siddhi, is there anything you'd like to say? Because I have, I can see Radhika, and we can get her on.
Yes, please. After her, we'll go ahead and do one more short prayer and meditation, and that will be it. But yeah, why don't we have Radhika here? Yes.
Fantastic. Okay, so Radhika, I've asked to, and there you are. Hi, Radhika, say hello.
Hi. Hello, everybody.
I thought it might be you. I was hoping it was going to be you.
Awesome to see you. You look amazing, Neelu.
Thank you. Sorry, I went into Hindi. I thought I had my fingers crossed. I said, is it Radhika? Is it Radhika? I hope it's Radhika. And it turned out to be you. So tell us, Radhika, you learned with Siddhi. How's that been?
What can I say that has already not been said? But she is so giving, absolutely amazing to learn from. You can hear me? Can you hear me, Neelu?
Yes.
Okay. Her level of patience is unbelievable, as everybody has rightly said, and our group is like a family. So many things. If we ask her so many questions that come up, she's really very patient in answering all of them. The awesome part we did was the oracle cards that we made. She taught us to make oracle cards. So people who didn't have cards or hadn't bought angel cards, we made oracle cards. And it was guided so beautifully by her, and we came up with such amazing kind of messages for all of us, and we shared it amongst ourselves. It was really wonderful. And I would like to tell everybody about the meditations that Siddhi does. They are out of this world. She takes you deeply into a meditative state, and her way of doing it is really, you have to experience it too. I insist that each of you should experience the meditations that she does. They're extremely powerful, very, very powerful. I mean, I can't put it into words. We also have attunements done, which is also really, truly powerful. Also, we had a past life we journeyed into a past life. It was I had a very, very beautiful experience. Most of us went through kind of a deep meditative state, all of us, in fact. But I had a lovely experience, and all thanks to her. All thanks to her. And she's, people just go teach something. You just learn because you are interested. But with Siddhi, she goes over and above. And the hand holding that she does is amazing. So please go in for her workshop. It's awesome.
Thank you, Radhika. It's so good to see you, and what a delightful feedback you've given for Siddhi. And you know what, you brought up something very interesting. So I'm really, really thankful for that. You mentioned the fact that whichever ones of you did not have the cards, maybe couldn't order it or it couldn't reach you with the lockdown and everything, you actually made your own cards, and Siddhi was guiding all of you through it. So fantastic, because all this time I was thinking, making of oracle cards, what could that possibly be? You already have your deck, and there it is, the answers right there. Fantastic. The questions in the group, so Radhika, I'm going to ask you.
Before you continue, sorry, please. You were asking Radhika something, right?
Yeah, I was asking Radhika if you actually made your own cards or you already had a deck.
No, I didn't have a deck at that time, so I made my own. So she was guiding, and as I said, then all our messages that we received while making those oracle cards, we shared it amongst ourselves. So all of us had a bigger deck, kind of bigger set of messages.
Yes.
Yeah.
So what happens in that is, I'd like to add a few things, is it is going beyond the set of cards that you have with you. These are set messages that you have. But you yourself are a channel. You can receive your own messages when you're connected. You know, this is about building your own oracle in a structured way, in a format that is comfortable, that is nice. And you build your connect with your angels in such a beautiful way that you start receiving messages for someone who you're doing your reading, for your loved one. Maybe you just want guidance coming through week on week for yourself, or month on month for yourself. So these methods will help you even when you don't have your own cards.
Because Radhika has made her own, Siddhi, obviously the question to you, but since she has made her own, were there any constraints that you might have felt maybe with the materials used or sourcing those or anything?
No, we just used a glass bowl or a glass jar, and we used chits of paper, colored paper. That's all. That's all. And you could get as creative as you want with writing it in colored pen. So it was extremely simple. The simplicity of it was the most beautiful part.
These are the messages we've collected the other day.
Yeah. Oh, lovely. Yeah. Somebody was asking, was it you, Bhavna? But can we see the cards, Radhika? There, Siddhi's shown it. That's what you're. How beautiful. Because for a minute, no, I was wondering. I said, I'm not good at drawing. Do I have to like make a figure and this thing, and then we'll have to color it and paint it? This is not my. How I'm like thinking in my head, and look at that solution there immediately.
If you are creative, you can color paint. Yeah, go ahead, let your creative juices flow. But I'm not, so I just wrote it down beautifully in colored pens. That's all.
Yeah.
So it was as simple as that. One more thing I'd like to add is when she taught us to read the cards, she went into each and every detail about how we are supposed to see the the pictorial part of it and the words mentioned. All that was explained so well, and we got plenty of practice doing that in the class. So I felt our intuitive or our psychic abilities just, by being in that awesome group, just, rose exponentially.
Lovely. Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you, Radhika.
Thank you for having me. Thank you, Siddhi. Hugs to you, my girl. You are awesome.
Thank you. Thank you. So sweet of her.
We also have Pooja here waiting. Before we get Pooja on, Siddhi, you said there's a meditation that you would be doing?
We'll do it towards the end so people get to stay with the energies for the rest of the day. Yeah.
Fantastic. So before we get Pooja on, I'm just giving everybody a very, very quick reminder about the fact that this entire beautifully put together, in-depth Connect with Angel Miracles workshop normally costs 54,400 rupees, or was it $882? I'm just going to check that very quickly. $828, available for the first time buyers at 7,500 rupees only, or 115 US dollars. I hope you've gotten in touch, you've used the links, and you're taking full advantage of this opportunity. Siddhi, very quickly, we do have a lot of international listeners who love to be able to learn these things, but there's a time difference constraint, right? So would you be looking at the possibility of having a separate set for them?
Yes, of course, which I said that I'm flexible that way. So the only thing I need to go is just start it a little later in the evening.
Right.
And which anyway, people who are working here and who have babies at home would like that peace of mind. So one slot, I've kept it available like that around that time only. So yeah, it works out well.
Fantastic. Lovely. So there you have it, people. And you're also getting bonuses of your 12 full moon meditations. You've got 6-month support. You've got backup support with whatever readings that you do for yourself, for your clients. So it's an opportunity that has to be taken up, really. I mean, this is truly going to be a phenomenal masterclass. Seriously, take it up. Oh, and you also have your personal session available at 1,200 rupees only. So there you go. And we're looking for puja, right? So is this only puja or is this puja Jalan? It is only puja, and we have her here.
Hi everyone. Hi Siddhi ma'am.
Hi Pooja. This is Pooja Raika. Yes.
Pooja Raika. Sorry I'm so late here.
No.
Actually we have a lockdown from tomorrow, so I went grocery shopping and all.
Okay.
Yeah. See, I would like to just share my experience with everyone. And I came in contact with you. You know that very well. From December 2019, I'm in contact with you. मैंने आपसे Angel Miracle workshop किया था. And उस time पे I was in too much of depression. और जो मेरे life में चल रहा था, I cannot even explain. जो problems मेरे life में चल रही थी, I was like बहुत बुरा हाल था मेरा. बस इतना मैं बोल सकती हूँ. जब आपसे मैंने एंजल मेडिटेशन का इसका मिरेकल वर्कशॉप किया, उसके बाद में मेरे लाइफ में चेंजेस आने लगे. दो इन बिगनिंग मैंने एंजल से कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ मेरा सब कुछ, एंड मैं आपको परेशान करती थी मैसेज करके, कॉल करके, दैट आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनी कनेक्शन विद देम, मैं कनेक्ट नहीं हो रही हूँ. यू वर वेरी काम इनफ टू से कि नहीं, डोंट वरी, टाइम लगता है, कनेक्शन हो जाएगा, एंड यू हैव टू कीप फेथ. आपने वो फेथ रखवाया मेरा, एंड द लाइफ वॉज गोइंग ऑन. थोड़ा थोड़ा सुधार आया, इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ लाइफ में, एवरीथिंग वॉज गोइंग ऑन. बट देन आई डिडंट कम टू नो कि वो दैट इज द रीजन एंजल्स आर हेल्पिंग मी. टिल जब हम मई में मैंने वापस आपसे वर्कशॉप किया, तब मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं, आई हैड दैट कनेक्शन विद द एंजल्स. आपके थ्रू जो कनेक्शन हुआ मेरा, हुआ है, बॉन्डिंग हुआ है, कनेक्शन हुआ है, दे आर हेल्पिंग मी. इसकी वजह से आई विल से यू वन थिंग, जो मेरा डिवोर्स होने वाला था, मेरा डिवोर्स रुक गया है, एंड नाउ वी आर नॉट टेकिंग एनी डिवोर्स. आई वॉज लाइक, मेरे माइंड में सुसाइडल थॉट्स आ रहे थे, वो भी खत्म हो गया है. एंजल्स है हेल्पिंग मी इन सो गुड वे, एंड आप मुझे गाइड किए जा रहे थे. एंड ये जो मेरे लाइफ में पार्ट चल रहा था, वो आपको भी नहीं पता था जब तक मैंने आपको नहीं बताया. एंड मैंने आपसे फिर उसके बाद में हर्ब्स मैजिक वर्कशॉप किया है, वाटर थेरेपी किया है, अभी ओरेकल कार्ड रीडिंग में आपसे कर रही हूँ, कैंडल वर्कशॉप किया है. मतलब everything is working for me very nicely, and my life is going on a smooth track thanks to you, Siddhi ma'am. Really I'm very thankful to you, and I'm thankful to God and angels to कि मैं आपके साथ उन्होंने मेरा कनेक्ट करवाया है. जो बॉन्डिंग हुई है वो मतलब उनका एक इशारा था कि नहीं, मेरा लाइफ स्मूथली जाना चाहिए, एंड उसमें आपने मुझे बहुत हेल्प किया है. यू गाइड मी इन ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. जो आपसे पूछती हूँ, मतलब यू आर सेइंग सो कामली. आपका जो ऑरा है इतना पॉजिटिव है, इतना पॉजिटिव है कि मतलब अपने आप ही वो पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग डेवलप होने लगता है. अगर इंसान के माइंड में नेगेटिव थिंकिंग भी चल रही है ना, तो आई विल से कि वो आपसे कनेक्ट होने के बाद वो इंसान पॉजिटिव होना ही होना है. नो डाउट वो पॉजिटिव होके ही रहेगा, ऐसा है. एंड द वे यू टीच, दैट्स हैट्स ऑफ. मतलब इतने कामली, इतने पेशेंटली ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन के आप क्वेरीज रिप्लाई करते हो. यू आर नॉट सीइंग द टाइम, यू आर नॉट सीइंग कि भाई नहीं इतने क्लासेस मैंने बोले हैं तो सिर्फ उतने ही करने हैं. यू गो बियॉन्ड दैट टू कंप्लीट द सिलेबस जो भी आपने कवर करना है, प्लस एक्स्ट्रा ऑल्सो यू गिव फ्रॉम योर साइड. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब जितना बोला उतना ही, अगर उसमें हमने और क्वेरीज आपको डाली है तो आप वो भी हमारे सॉल्व करते हैं, उसका भी हमको रिप्लाई देते हैं. और हर एक जितने जन हैं कोर्स के टाइम पे, उन सब से आप उतना ही कनेक्ट बना के रखें. एंड हमारा वो ग्रुप अभी है ना फैमिली ग्रुप जैसा हो गया मैम, सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी वजह से वो ग्रुप अभी एक फैमिली हो गई है हमारे लिए. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि हम एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं, पहचानते नहीं थे, बट आपके थ्रू जो हमारा कनेक्ट बना है ना, दैट इज रियली वेरी गुड. एंड आई वुड डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट कि आपके साथ हर एक वर्कशॉप करना ही चाहिए, बिकॉज आपके जैसी टीचर, आपके जैसे काम एंड पॉजिटिव पर्सन मैंने और कोई नहीं देखा है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, सीरियसली.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Siddhi.
I'm
Thank you.
very thankful to angels and everyone else who supported you and guided you and get your life back on to this track. I was instrumental in teaching and आपको सिखाया, but I'm very thankful to them and you के आपने अपना guidance लिया and life को एक अच्छे मोड पे आप ले गए.
यस मैम, बिकॉज सीरियसली उस टाइम पे जिस तरह से मैं लाइफ मेरा जो चल रहा था ना, मतलब दैट वाज रियली वेरी पेनफुल एक्चुअली. और अब जो है वो टोटली डिफरेंस, बहुत बहुत वर्स्ट डिफरेंस है अभी के लाइफ में. इसके लिए एंजल्स, और आपने एंजल से हमें इंटरेक्ट करवाया एंड वो एंजल्स ने वर्क किया. मतलब फॉर मी यू आर एन एंजल फॉर मी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि आप वो एंजल हो जिसने हमें आके एंजल से मिलाया है. मेरे लिए वो इसके लिए you are the angel of my life
and you all are for me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you
so much, Pooja, for coming on and sharing with us. It's not easy to reveal these kind of personal details about your own life, but for you to come on, share that, and the fact that this work is what helps you to
anything for Siddhi, ma'am.
Take, and I was just coming to that for Siddhi. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Really, really appreciate this.
Thank you so much.
Siddhi, I got to say this, whoever's come on, they've kind of covered, I think, every aspect of somebody's life or the other that is getting affected. There is a business that's taken up, like with products being sold. This is not just a relationship that went into a 180 literally. This is also health, depression. So amazing. It's you don't have to think about the fact that this is work specifically only on A, B or C. It's just so all encompassing, right?
Yes. So that's what I say. There are higher energies and there are smarter energies. So if you're just praying for your finances and they know that maybe there's some other front also not working in your life, they're going to open up doors for you also. It's like that.
Fantastic. This is just absolutely beautiful. And Siddhi, you said, like I said, you were saying something about a meditation. So just asking, would you like to will we close the call on that, because you'd want everybody to stay with those energies, and then we'll catch up on the Telegram group later?
Yes, works. Absolutely.
Right? Okay, super. So because we're doing this, because we're going to be closing on the meditation, Siddhi, once it's done, I would request you to please just say, okay, this is done, and just say a bye. We won't come back and disturb the energy flow of it.
Thank you so much, because that is what I was going to request, that when the meditation gets over, I will give a command. If we can just end the meeting for everyone, and then we can take it ahead on Telegram.
Fantastic.
So before that, before we go in, I thank each and every person who's present here. You made a great difference to me today. And thank you, Neelu. Thank you, Amrish. Thank you, entire the Mystic Lotus team. You guys really work hard behind the scene, and I never get chance to thank you enough for what all you guys do for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your words on behalf of everyone, Amrish, Ruchira, and Shilpa, and Mispa. Many thanks right back to you, Siddhi. So before we go into the meditation, very quickly, just want to give everybody a reminder on the superb awesomeness of the Connect with Angels, Miracles with Siddhi, where you have your angel therapy, you have angel oracle card readings and candle prayers for angels, and a lot more. You've got attunements with Archangel Lord Metatron, and you get to know about herbs and candles and angel crystals. So much happening. You also have a bonus of 6 months support for cards, for the oracle card readings. You have 12 full moon meditations, and you also have 3 review sessions. All of this would have normally costed you 54,400 or USD 828. Yours for the taking, first 10 only, at just 7,500 rupees or 115 US dollars. Prices will go up after that. You'll get those prices in your replay email. Also, up in the air for you is an angel card reading, 30-minute session with Siddhi, normally priced at $1,900. Just through today's call and this masterclass, it's available for you at only 1,200 rupees or $19. Both are separate, not to be confused with each other. So there you go, people. And with that, Siddhi, take it away. I'll go off video.
Even I'm going off video. Requesting everyone, सबको मेरा request है, please close your eyes. Hands in receiving position. Receiving position means both your palms facing towards the sky on your lap. आपके दोनों हाथ receiving position में, यानी कि दोनों हथेलियां towards the sky आपके लैप के ऊपर. Back और legs straight. एकदम comfortable. 3 deep breaths. 3 गहरी सांस. And out from your mouth. मुंह से बाहर. And start relaxing your mind and your body. आपके माइंड को, आपके बॉडी को बिल्कुल रिलैक्स कर दीजिए. Relax both your legs completely. आपके दोनों पैरों को completely relax कीजिए. Relax your upper body. आपकी अपर बॉडी को एकदम ही रिलैक्स हो जाने दीजिए. Relax your shoulders, both your hands. आपके shoulders, दोनों हाथ. आपका neck, your face, your forehead. आपका forehead, your eyes, your lips, आंखें और lips, सबको completely relax हो जाने दीजिए. As I call upon Archangel Metatron to come and guide us to our right path, मैं Archangel Metatron से प्रार्थना कर रही हूँ कि वो आए और हम सबको राइट पाथ की तरफ गाइड करें. To give you a guiding message if you need it. अगर आपको कोई गाइडेंस की जरूरत है लाइफ में, वो आपको मैसेजेस दें. To make you aware of his presence. आपको उनकी प्रेजेंस का एहसास दिलाए. To clear your blocks and your chakras. आपके सारे चक्रा के और ऑरा के ब्लॉक्स हटाएं. Let him come in front of you. उन्हें आपके सामने आने दीजिए. उनके blessings आपके ऊपर बरसने दीजिए. Let his blessings shower upon you. उनके blessings violet light के फॉर्म में आपके आसपास और आपके ऊपर बरस रहे हैं. These blessings are coming your way in the form of beautiful violet light. The light is absorbed in all your chakras, in your skin, reaching to your bones, to each and every cell of your body. ये जो लाइट है आपके हर चक्र में, आपके स्किन में, आपके बोन्स में, आपके शरीर के हर एक सेल में अब्सॉर्ब हो रही है. This light disintegrates all the negativity, all negative energies, the instant it touches anything. जिस मिनट, जिस क्षण ये लाइट आपको टच करती है, आपकी ऑरा को टच करती है, जितनी भी नेगेटिविटी है इंस्टेंटली दूर हो जाती है. He's sending down his light to your crown chakra and it starts traveling down. ये लाइट आपके सहस्त्रार यानी क्राउन चक्रा से होते हुए नीचे की तरफ ट्रैवल कर रही है. It cleanses the crown and reaches to your third eye chakra, your Agya chakra. क्राउन को क्लेंज और एम्पावर करने के बाद ये लाइट आपके आज्ञा चक्र के पास पहुंच रही है, उसको एनर्जाइज और एम्पावर करने के लिए. It travels down further to your throat to cleanse and empower your throat chakra. उसके बाद ये आपके विशुद्ध चक्र को यानी थ्रोट चक्र को एनर्जाइज कर रही है, एम्पावर कर रही है और क्लेंस कर रही है. It further travels down to your heart chakra to cleanse it, empower it and energize it. फिर ये आपके अनाहत चक्र, आपके हार्ट चक्र की तरफ बढ़ रही है, उसे एनर्जाइज करने के लिए, क्लेंस करने के लिए. इस समय अगर आपको किसी चीज में गाइडेंस की जरूरत है, उन्हें पूछिए and receive your messages. Right now is the time to seek any messages if you need coming in from his side. Let the light further go down to your solar plexus chakra and start cleansing it, empowering it and energizing it. ये लाइट फिर आपके मणिपुर चक्र को क्लेंस और एम्पावर करने के लिए आगे बढ़ रही है. The light further goes down to cleanse and empower your sacral chakra. आपके स्वादिष्ठान चक्र को क्लेंस और एम्पावर करने के लिए ये लाइट आगे बढ़ रही है. Then it goes down to cleanse, energize and empower your root chakra. फिर ये लाइट आपके मूलाधार चक्र को क्लेंस और एम्पावर करने के लिए आगे बढ़ रही है. The light then travels down through both your legs, both your feet, and starts creating a beautiful shield all around you. The shield made with this violet light. मूलाधार चक्र को क्लेंस और एम्पावर करने के बाद आपके दोनों पैरों से होते हुए ये लाइट और भी नीचे जा रही है और एक ब्यूटीफुल शील्ड आपके आसपास तैयार कर रही है. ये शील्ड वायलेट कलर की है. At the end, the light enters the earth. इसके बाद ये लाइट अर्थ में जा रही है. Is constantly showering upon light onto you. आप constantly उनकी लाइट रिसीव कर रहे हैं. Constantly, all your chakras are getting blessed, are getting empowered, are getting cleansed. Constantly आपके चक्र को आशीर्वाद मिल रहे हैं, वो क्लेंस हो रहे हैं और एम्पावर हो रहे हैं. आप उन्हें अपने लिए एक मैसेज फिर से एक बार पूछ सकते हैं. You can ask for a message for you once again. Thank him for his presence now. उनकी प्रेजेंस के लिए, उनके ब्लेसिंग्स के लिए उनका शुक्रिया अदा कीजिए. Thank him for the messages he's given you. Thank him for the love and blessings he's showered upon you. Take 3 deep breaths. 3 गहरी सांसें लीजिए मुंह से बाहर. And come back to your present moment. आपके present moment में लौट आइए. अपनी आंखें खोलने के पहले अपने आसपास उनकी presence सिर्फ महसूस कीजिए. Before you go ahead and open your eyes, just experience his presence, be aware of his presence all around you. Take 3 more deep breaths. 3 और गहरी सांसें लीजिए और present moment में लौट आइए. Come back to the present moment. You can now open your eyes. Keep your feet onto the ground and sip some water. धीरे से आप अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हैं. अपने पैरों को जमीन पे रख सकते हैं. And I request कि आप थोड़ा पानी पीजिए. With this, I would like to take your leave. I thank you very much for your presence. इसी के साथ मैं आपकी इजाज़त चाहूँगी. Thank you so very much for your presence. I request the Mystic Lotus team to end this meeting for everyone. Thank you.